Draw a circle with radius 4.1 centimeter. Construct tangents to the circle from a point at a distance 7.3 centimeter from the center. Now, first of all, we have to draw a circle with radius 4.1 centimeter. Now, took your rounder and take 4.1 centimeter in your rounder. The measurement, this is the 0 and this is 4.1 centimeter. 4.1 centimeter. I took 4.1 centimeter. 4.1 centimeter in the rounder. This is the measure 4.1 centimeter. I took the measure in the rounder. Now draw a circle with this with center O. This is the circle. Name the circle. Name the center of the circle O. O is the center of the circle. Now O, the radius of the circle is 4.1 centimeter. Now we have to draw a line. That line is 7.3 centimeter. We have to draw a line. That line must be 7.3 centimeter. This. Now draw one big line from this big line and take 7.3 centimeter. Take 7.3 centimeter in your compass. Take 7.3 centimeter in your compass. 7.3 centimeter in your compass. Now put the pencil point and draw one arc. This is the point arc P. OP is the segment. This segment is 7.3 centimeter. OP is the segment. Now draw the perpendicular bisector of the segment OP. Put your rounder point on O and take more than half of the segment OP. Draw one arc up and one arc down. Now put your rounder point on the point P and draw one arc up and one arc down. Now you got two signs of multiplication. Now draw the perpendicular bisector. Draw the perpendicular bisector of OP. We have to draw this perpendicular bisector of segment OP. Now there is a point inside the circle. This is the point M. Now get the point M. Put the point of your rounder on M. Now put your pencil mark P and O. Barabar, draw one arc that is passing through the point O. That arc bisect the circle on two different way. This is name the point A. Name the second point B. Draw the arc. Draw the tangent PA and PB. Draw the tangent PA and PB. This is tangent PA and draw the second tangent PB. This is the second tangent PB. This is the second tangent PB. Two tangents are drawn, tangent PA and tangent PB. Now this is tangent PA. Tangent PA and the tangent PB. Take the measure. PA is congruent to PB. Both the tangents are congruent. This is PA and this is PB. Both the tangents are congruent to each other. Length of PA is congruent to length of PB. Both are tangents. You can measure the tangents PA and PB. The measure of both the tangents are congruent. This is 5.7 centimeter. Both the tangents are congruent. PA and PB is equal to 5.7 centimeter. On the right hand side, You have to draw rough figure. Rough figure is compulsory in board exam. On the right hand side you must draw the rough figure. Rough figure is compulsory to draw the construction.
Tutorials by Yakub Ansari, Scholar Classes.